Alright, welcome back to another episode of the Freecodecamp Code Along. We're on step 21. So we're going to go through step 21 to step 30 in this cat photo app. So let's get back to it. Let's see. Step 21. When you add a lower rank heading element to the page, it is implied that you're starting a new subsection. After the last H2 element of the second section element, add an H3 element with this text. Things cats love. So H3, H3, things cats love. Okay. Step 22. To create an unordered list of items, you can use the UL element after the H3 element with the things cat love text. Add an unordered list element. Note that nothing will be displayed at this point. So basically, just do UL. The li element is used to create a list item in an ordered or unordered list. Here's an example of list items in an unordered list. Example code, unordered list, list milk, list cheese, closing unordered element tag. When within the UL element, nest 3 list items to display 3 things cats love: catnip, laser pointers, lasagna. Okay. Catnip. Laser pointers. Lasagna. Okay. Something's not right. It doesn't have an opening. There we go. Catnip. Laser pointers. Lasagna. What am I missing? Wow. The space and laser pointers. There we go. Step 24. After the unordered list, add a new image with the source attribute value set to this, and this alt attribute set to a slice of lasagna on a plate. Okay. Step 25. The figure element represents self-contained content and will allow you to associate an image with a caption. Nest the image you just added within a figure element. A fig caption element is used to add a caption to describe the image contained within the fig element. Here is an example of fig caption element with a caption of a cute cat. After the image, in the figure element, add fig caption element with the text set to cats. Cats love lasagna. Okay, so Step 27. To place emphasis on a specific word or phrase, you can use the M element, emphasizing the word love in the fig caption element by wrapping it in the emphasis element. So, no, that's not it. It's M. Okay. Step 28. After the figure element, add another H3 element with the text, top 3 things cat hates. Okay. H3. Step 29. The code for an ordered list, OL, is similar to an unordered list, but list items in an ordered list are numbered when displayed. Below the H3 element, add an ordered list with these 3 list items: flea treatment, thunder, other cats. Step 30. After the ordered list, add another figure element. Okay, well, that's steps 21 through step 30. Thanks for watching. Come back, join us again. We're going to cover next time you come back, we're going to cover steps 30 to steps 40 in this cat photo app. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.